Everyone. So this is our MeyRAR project. It's an AR project to help learners to with experiential learning. Okay, so basically we are focusing on augmented reality, which is the biology or using biology parts. Okay. Our future plan is to extend it to other um, models like web architecture and the likes. Yeah. So basically, this is for the 3D model, and then we have some quizzes, interactive quizzes that you can take, learners can take. So let's see, where is the diagram? Diagram, okay. So you can see this using um, this card. Okay, and then we can type whatever, and then to give you the answer, whether correct or incorrect. Then let's see, with BEST, so we are doing something with micro learning. So micro learning is using something I created on Shepherd, which is my LMS platform. Okay, so just something short. So based on the particular model, it's AR. So it's quiz and then um, micro learning, whatever will be shown. So I can see each and every model have their own um, 3D thing that you can interact with. And when you click on the view space, actually what we wanted to do is, since AI is not supported on the desktops, but rather mobile devices, they're supposed to produce a scanning or a QR code that so users can scan. That's if they are viewing this on their PC. But if it's on a mobile device, they just have to click on a view in your space and to launch the AR experience. So basically, this is our project for Mirror. Then we are looking to advance it into other fields. Yeah. So let me see if there's any other thing we need to show. And then this how we plan to advance our project. So plan to advance our project this way. Yeah. 3D model will have an inbuilt. So there's going to be an interactive quiz. We have a chatbot, then inbuilt video explaining. So when the user clicks on any of the annotations, it's supposed to play a video, which is that's if the video is available. And then we can have a playlist of the video when this icon, which is this, is clicked. Okay, yeah. So basically, there's our project, and then we hope to expand this project. Yeah, thank you.